Looky here, we got an empty cookie jar. Actually, we have two because when I have extra cookies, I put them in here. So let's try a chocolate chip cookie recipe that I have never done before. It'll be a new one. Okay, I better put my glasses on since I won't be able to see this. And this is a kind of odd, to me, kind of odd. You put butter and oil in this cookie. So I assume it's a very soft chocolate cookie. Chocolate chip cookie. Okay, in here I have a cup of white sugar, a cup of brown sugar, and 2 sticks of softened butter. Then I'm gonna add a whole cup of oil and get this going. This is gonna make a whole lot of cookies, which is a good thing because Caden's home and he can take them back to school, right, Caden? Actually, he's out of school and he made good grades. Okay, got that going. Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of milk. I don't know why 1 tablespoon. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla, and I always use the Vanilla Bean Kings, an American company. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get some more. Okay, then we're gonna put an egg in here. On April the 26th, we posted a video, y'all are gonna love this, of the garden. And we posted it, we did it right after church. Well, I got to looking at it, I didn't see it right at first, but I had my shirt on backwards. I went to church with it on backwards, we went out to eat with it on backwards, and I did a video of me with my shirt on backwards. So it was April 26th, and it was a garden video. Y'all might want to go back and look. And I remember, I'd only worn that shirt one time before. I remember when I put it on, it looked real short in the back and long in the front, but my brain didn't work. So anyway, I thought that was funny. If you can't make fun of yourself or tell stories on yourself, you're not going to be very happy. Okay, now what I'm going to do, instead of doing it a little bit at a time, in here I have a teaspoon of soda, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 4 cups of white lily all-purpose flour. I'm just going to dump it in. I've already mixed it together, and I'm going to slowly mix this together. When we get it mixed up, we'll come back. Now we're supposed to add 3 cups of chocolate chips. That's all I have of chocolate, but I'm going to add a few white ones with it. Oh, what the heck, all of them. Now these are a really loose cookie, I think, and it said just put them in balls, and then we're gonna bake them at 350. So let me get my cookie sheet and stuff and get ready to roll them up. Well, I actually can roll it in a ball, but it is a wet cookie. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do this size to start with, and see, before I put I have another cookie sheet ready to go, and before I load it up, I'm gonna see how big these get. You know, these may get really, really big, so I'm gonna kind of spread them apart. They're certainly gonna have chips in them. Look at all the chips, Caden. Mm-hmm. Caden always likes the ones with the most chips in it. Oh, speaking of chips, look what I got for Mother's Day. My favorite, right, Caden?
Yes, ma'am.
He knows I'll eat that up. He brought that to me for Mother's Day. The best gift is him coming home and going to church with us. I don't know how he stands being away from his mommy and his granny. Well, I'm going to load this pan up with these cookies, and I'm going to put them about this far apart. I'm going to put them pretty far apart because, you know, who knows, since I've never made them before. And I must say, I've never made a cookie that was this wet when you rolled it out or when you made the cookie. So we'll see. It may make for a really moist chocolate chip cookie too. So we'll be back when we get one done. I think I forgot to say it's going to be at 350. We're going to cook them at 350. Well, I'm on my 3rd pan. This is the 1st pan. I think I cooked them about 15 to 18 minutes. I turned them part way, and I kept checking them. You want them right like that. And they're really good. I've already eaten one. I won't show you that, but I ate one. To me, they're like what we call Toll House cookies. way back in the day, in the 70s and 80s, we made Toll House cookies. And I'm sure you still do, but they're kind of like that. They're really, really good. And Caden's going to load him up a whole big sack to take home.